Hello, my champions. In this video, we're going to learn about polygons and their exterior angles. If you've not learned polygons and their interior angles concept, go click the link on the right top corner of this video right now to understand first the interior angles concept because math builds on the previous topics. If you've not understood about the interior angles, exterior angles, you're going to find difficult to understand. Okay. Okay. Now, assuming or thinking that you already know what's a polygon, already know what's interior angles, already know how to find the in one interior angle of a regular polygon. If you know all of these things, then you can understand this particular topic that we're talking about, exterior angles. We already know polygons, convex polygons, all those things. Now first let's learn about an exterior angle. Let's take a very simple polygon. Very simple polygon means it's a triangle because lesser than three sides. Two sides, using two sides, we cannot make a polygon. The least number of sides that is required is three. And such a polygon is a triangle. Okay. So now using this, let's understand what is the meaning of exterior angle. Now, if it's a ABC triangle, we know this is a interior angle. We call some angle as an exterior angle when any angle has two arms, right? One arm is an extended side, and another arm of the angle is a current side. Current means it is a side of the polygon. Okay, extended side and it's a normal side. So the two arms. So if I am going to draw a line like this, which is an extension of side BC, this becomes one arm, and I take another existing side AC, then between these two arms, whatever angle is formed is called as the exterior angle. Okay, again, let me make it very clear. Extended side is the BC side. The current side is the AC side. And the angle formed between these two arms is called as the exterior angle. Okay. First, I want to become clear about this exterior angle concept. Okay. Now, let me give you a task. Okay. This shape I have given and I have drawn some angles here. And I've asked angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4. I wanted to pause the video and try to find out which of these is exterior angle, which of these are not. Go ahead, pause the video. Welcome back, math champions. I think you have found out which of these are exterior angles. Now let me discuss so that you can find out whether your answers are correct or not. And math champions always try. They don't worry about whether they're wrong or right, isn't it? Okay, coming to this one angle, two arms are here. One arm is here, another arm is here. Wow, one is a side, which is correct. Another one is an extended side. Wow, this is an exterior angle. No problem. This angle 2, the arms are this and this. And one arm is an extension of this side. Okay, good. Another arm is the side of this hexagon. Okay, so this is also an exterior angle. Coming to angle 3, there's two arms here. Okay, one arm is the side of the hexagon, which is correct. Other arm, oh, the extension, it's not an extension of anything. It is not an extension of this or that or whatever. It is not an extension. Means the extension would have come it would have come like this, right? It would have come like this, but it's not. So what happens? Angle 3 is not an exterior angle. Now coming to angle 4, the arms of one is here, another arm is here, another arm is here. If you see, this arm is an extension of this side, means it's directly extended like this. And another one is the current side. So this is an exterior angle. Okay, now you're clear about the concept of exterior angles. Now let's go and talk about different polygons and their sum of exterior angles. Before we talk about sum of exterior angles, we've already learned this, right? The formula for one interior angle based on this n minus 2 times 180. That many triangles can be formed. So the sum of the interior angles is n minus 2 times 180 and one interior angle is n. Using this formula, n means number of sides. This is n. So using that, I've already found out what is one interior angle of every polygon here. And for the sake of understanding, we are taking a regular convex polygons. Convex polygons means none of the interior angles are reflex angles. There's no reflex angles inside the polygon. Okay. Now you can pause the video and you also can go ahead and use the formula to find the angles. That means to say this is a 90-degree. This is a 108-degree. Not only this, every angle is 108-degree here inside. Okay. This is a 120-degree and this is a 135-degree. This is what I have already found. Okay. Now we will draw one exterior angles for all of these, right? Okay. The exterior angles, I'm going to extend this. And so this angle is going to become my exterior angle. I'm going to extend this line and this is going to be my exterior angle. When I'm going to extend this line, this is going to be my exterior angle. When I'm going to extend this is going to be my exterior angle. Now we are going to find out how much is one exterior angle. Exterior angle, how much it is? How much is the measure of this exterior angle? We're going to measure this. Observe this. If you see, this both the one interior angle and one exterior angle together forms a linear pair. Forms a linear pair. Linear pair means they are adjacent angles. The sum of them is 180-degree. That means if this is 90, another one is going to be 180 minus 90. That is going to be 90-degree. Look at this, the pentagon also. If this is 108, this is surely going to be 72-degree because it is 108. So 180 minus 108. That is going to be 72 degrees. And here it is going to be 60 degrees because 180 minus 120. For octagon, 180 minus 35 is going to be 45. So one exterior angle is this much. Then now let's talk about sum of all exterior angles. Sum of all exterior angles. Sum of exterior angles. Now, if one polygon has like n sides, means it has n number of interior angles. Similarly, n number of exterior angles. That means if one exterior angle is 90-degree, that means 4 angles together becomes 360-degree. Then for 5-sided figure pentagon, if I do times 5, I'm going to get again 360-degree. And in hexagon, again, 6 exterior angles are going to be there. The sum of all the exterior angles is going to be 360-degree again. Similarly, here for octagon also, it is going to be 360-degree. Wow, we found some pattern. What is that pattern? Whatever be the individual exterior angles could be different. But then the sum of all the exterior angles for any polygon is 360-degree. Fantastic. Fantastic. Right? So what is the conclusion that we have got now is sum of exterior angles in a polygon is 360-degree, right? And now one exterior angle. See, previously we found out exterior angle after finding interior angle, right? Like we found out the interior angle, then we subtracted, then we got one exterior angle. Do we have to do all these circles? Not required. We know now the sum of all the exterior angles is 360-degree. And if you have n-sided polygon, it has n sides in a polygon means n exterior angles is going to be there. That means one exterior angle is going to be 360-degree by n. So this is how you can do it. Simple way also. And if you see here, I've given you all the approach. So as math champions, you can either use first find interior angles, then understand it's a linear pair and you can find exterior angles, or you can directly use this thing. Okay, but understand how we came about this, because when you understand how we came about this, then you don't have to memorize or remember these kind of things. You will know the concept. you can go ahead and think about it, and then even in the exam you can do this. You can draw the figure, you can find out the interior angle, you can find out the exterior angle from that, because interior exterior angle pair forms a linear pair. With that concept understanding, you can solve many problems. Okay, math champions prepare themselves for future by learning to solve one problem in multiple different ways, because in life also generally you can solve one problem in multiple different ways. You don't have to get stuck with one method that one teacher teaches you, because math champions know that there is a mathematician inside them and they can come up with ways of solving problems. And math champions always try to strive to understand the concept, and then to solve the problem, they use their concept, they use their analysis, they use their thinking, they become better thinkers and solve it in a new, different way that they know they have found out. Right? Okay, now go ahead and solve some problems based on this concept that you've learned, and thereby become the master in these topics. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.